Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to find the highest common factor of 60 and 72 as well as the lowest common multiple. So since they give me 60 and 72, then I would simply use the successive division method for both. And therefore you would actually see me doing this. Going to divide by the smallest common factor first. And that will give me this. And let's continue to divide. 2 cannot already. The next common prime factor would then be 3. And there's no more common prime factor. So once I have this, I will then be able to get the answer for both part A and part B. For part A, the answer lies in here. These are all the common prime factors. So for HCF, it will be 2 times 2 times 3. That will give me 12. And for the lowest common multiple, would have to include this 2, 3, 5 and 6. And so the answer would be 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 6. That will give me 360. So you can see that this working short successive division method does have its benefits, as it can allow us to find both highest common factor and lowest common multiple quite easily. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.